Hi, this is GB and GB's Adventures. I got invited to ride along on the fishing vessel Clare Louise while they go and offload their Black Cod Traps. It's giving me a chance to show you a different tour of the boat basin, and I hope you enjoy it. This is the fishing vessel Clare Louise. The large square boxes on the back are Black Cod Traps. The Clare Louise is used in several different fisheries. Black cod for one, lingcod, rockfish, crabs, and best of all, salmon. However, for the second year, there is no commercial salmon fishery on the California coast. So now is the time to take advantage of no fishery, offload the decks, clean up the boat, and do any necessary maintenance. On a normal year, this area would be hustling. Sports boats and commercial boats preparing for and or heading out to catch salmon. As I said before, there is no salmon season this year, nor was there one last year, so we have a really quiet boat basin. pulling up to a raised wharf which has a lift on it that will be used to lift the pots off of the boat. One of the harbor employees is meeting the boat, and he will be operating the lift. Aubrey will be offloading the boat, and Rich will be stacking the items on the trailer parked above. There are several barrels that will be unloaded as well. These barrels contain long lengths of rope that are used to attach the traps to buoys. While the boys were busy offloading, I got a chance to watch a sailboat getting ready to leave the harbor. The items on the aft end of the deck are the marker buoys that are attached by that long rope to the traps. They're the only means that the fisherman has to find his equipment. We are headed back now. On the port side, we're going by the Noyo Harbor Inn. Usually I will be sitting on the deck watching the boats. This time, I'm part of the scenery. Aubrey decided to back his boat into the slip. A little bit more difficult maneuver. Let's see how he does. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, would you please subscribe by clicking on my picture?